Sa panahon na binigay niyo po for tonight. And of course, we'd like to also welcome some important and some from our W Copa family. Yan. Ang dami nating guests for tonight. And tonight is truly a meaningful celebration as we gather together to open new opportunities in education for Filipino families here in the GCC. It's Julie Guerrero, so lead us in prayer.
Their message, every partner who has supported this journey, and every parent who has entrusted their child with Zara Gutierrez, with the entire basic group of companies.
Gutierrez Group of Companies, Zara Gutierrez.
Of our beloved guests, partners, and the entire St. Blaise and my Gutierrez Group team. My name is Zara Gutierrez, and I am the UAE International Coordinator of St. Blaise Christian School. First of all,
To join us here.
Our people and our kids, especially kung gusto natin silang i-enroll dito sa school.
year of licensed teacher na pwedeng sumuporta sa mga bata dahil for all we know naman yung online are very so we make sure na maaalalayan at masusuportan, magagabayan silang lahat.
Thank you once again, Jamila, the Montfort University, Dubai, and currently taking his PhD in Communications at University of the Philippines. Please welcome Mr. Beethoven Filomeno.
Good evening, everyone. So, to all the parents and guests who attended tonight's event for the Gutierrez Group of Company, headed by Ms. Zara Gutierrez and her team. So, may your institution become a beacon of excellence, faith, and transformative education here in the UAE that will inspire and shape the future of the next generations. Wishing the entire community and your organization a continued success, growth, and of course, God's abundant blessing on this remarkable journey. So once again, congratulations for tonight, and may your organization continue to inspire others.
With us tonight. Grabe, star-studded tayo, and Tita Coney is with us as well. So, marami pa. Gomez Dental! Nasa na Gomez Dental? Nakaalis na, okay. So, kabawasan yun sa sa babayan mo per head. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat.
Thank you! Everyone, punta muna po tayo dito para po sa mabilisan photo off lang po. Lahat po naman sa tayo in one, so please punta po lang po tayo dito.